Hey guys, Trainman4014 here. Today I'm going to be filming this friendly guy. He has this air compressed horn, train horn, and he wants to show it to us. So Trainman42, 145, and 4014 are going to film it. He's going to honk it in any second now.
Okay guys, Trainman 145 here, and folks from Georgia with Trainman 4014, Trainman 4042, and Georgie Torres. We're here at the platform, and someone here has homemade horns. So he's hooking up to the air compressor now. So we'll see what these babies sound like.
Maybe not.
What horn is it supposed to be modeling after?
S3L.
Leo.
Leslie S3L. There it is.
Shaving the haircut! Yeah. Very cool.
Let that build up first, and I'll blow it higher.
Yeah. Really cool. He gave us a shaving a haircut. That was really awesome. I have to say that was one of the best horns I've ever heard in my life. That's actually custom made. So, Trainman 4014 signing out.